Welcome to the Tourism Golden app tutorial series. Here we're going to show you how to make an account in the app. Once you've downloaded the app on your phone, you're automatically in guest mode and you're able to use it. If you create an account, you can build and save personal trip itineraries to help plan your trip. And you can share these with others. We suggest making your own account. Click the Login tab and fill out the respective fields. Once you've created an account, the home page will open back up. You'll notice a Logout tab will be in the place of the Login tab from before. This is how you know you're logged into your account. From this main page, you can see the different features of the app. You can navigate through the app from this home page. Click into specific tabs to explore Golden and go back to the home page by hitting the collection of squares in the top left-hand corner. Tune in to the next tutorial to learn about the main features of the app.